going on, guys? Carman10 back at it again with another video, and today we are doing something Madden Mobile. So let's get right into it. Just open some of these packs, and I'm gonna okay, what's this? Redskins versus Raiders. Oh yeah, and my boy Wyatt is here. Say what's up.
What's up? And if you want to see me in another video,
go to
Call of Duty Mandrake, Nerf War versus Wyatt, and go subscribe to him. Okay.
And so I'll put it down in the description in case you want to go watch it. But I'm probably gonna skip till the elite players, so catch you guys after this pack. Okay, we're in the elite pack opening, so Wyatt is gonna open it. Don't tell me what we get. Press continue.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, what do we get? Oh my gosh, the same player. We got Tyreek Hill again. Oh my gosh. So we got duplicates. I'm going to go put them into the set. Open this pack. I got both linebacker. And
no, not quite.
But we're going to put it into the set. So we have two punt returners. Man, duplicates. Okay. But I guess we're gonna do some game. I guess we're gonna go see what the price is for that rack code collectible. Okay, so we found the price. It goes for $40K. So I'm gonna sell it for $40K. 38.99, and we're gonna sell for $34.299, and we're gonna jump out of one thing. I guess we could open a few packs. Okay, so open all pro team pack before we jump out of here. White's gonna be opening up it. So halfback. Yep. Need that. That's okay. But I guess that's gonna be the video. And I guess that's gonna be a video. So I thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe if you're new, and like the video. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.